Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Seamless. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and delete your account. Maybe you no longer use it, maybe you no longer have a need for it. How do you actually go ahead and delete your account on Seamless? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Seamless app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Then on this page here, go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Manage Account and click on Manage Account. Afterwards, on this page here, click on Manage Data or Delete Account. And what's going to happen is that it's going to go ahead and take you to this page here where you can actually submit a request and why you want to delete your account. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your account on Seamless. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.